Today, we are going to take another one of our addictions and generate money from it. Binge watching YouTube shorts. I don't know about you, but I could spend hours watching them and completely lose track of time. What feels like a quick 5 minutes turns out to be a couple of hours. Can you imagine if you were making real money during that time? Well, today is your lucky day. I am going to tell you how. We all love earning money just by watching videos. I know, because I also love making money just by watching videos, especially YouTube videos. So in this video, I am bringing you a new way to make money online by watching YouTube Shorts. If you don't already know what a YouTube Short is, it's a short video, 60 seconds or less, that you can use to start trends, try out a dance challenge, bring your hilarious ideas to life, and many more. Who loves watching YouTube Shorts? If you do that, then leave a comment down below. That's so wonderful, isn't it? In addition, you may be rewarded money just by watching or simply viewing those videos. And it's completely free, so you don't need to pay anything to accomplish it. The greatest thing is that it is entirely available to all countries around the globe. So watch carefully because I'll walk you through every step. I will give detailed instructions on how to register for a free account and plenty of other techniques that will enable you to make money even online. So take note of this and watch the whole video. Before we start, make sure that you are subscribed to Money Kings and you have turned on that notification bell so that you will always be the first one to know when we post new videos of the best and easiest ways for you to earn money in the comfort of your home. Now that you have clicked the subscribe button, let's get right into the video. The website I am going to show you today is followfast.com. So open your browser and type in followfast.com. Using this website, you can earn money online just by watching videos from YouTube. How followfast.com works is that they give people who are growing their social media accounts, such as YouTube, by delivering them likes, views, or subscriptions from people like us. For example, if you watch a YouTube video here, the video will get your view and you will earn points just from watching that video. So as you stock up on points, you can later exchange that points into money. Now, if you are a little hesitant about this and you want proof that you will get paid, then I want you to scroll down to the bottom and you'll see a button that says Payouts. Now, if you click on that button, you will be directed to another web page and you will see how many people are making money from this website. Some of them are getting paid through Bitcoin and some of them are getting paid through actual cash. Those are the most common ways to get paid here at followmefast.com. But there are other ways too. If you would go to the lower pages over here, you will see that some are getting paid via PayPal. As you can see, there are actual people from different countries who withdraws actual money, and some of them have been paid recently. And you can tell the potential earnings you can have from this website. So to get started with followfast.com, here is what you are going to do. Go to the upper right corner of your screen and simply click on the Join button. From there, you will be directed to a registration page. It is really easy to do. Like any other website, you just have to fill in the necessary information that they're asking for. For instance, type in your desired username, type in your email and your desired password, and confirm it afterward. Remember to double check your password. Now, about the location, you don't have to worry about it. You can just leave it blank. Also, if you have a referral code, then you can input it there. But if not, then you can just leave it empty and proceed with typing the CAPTCHAs. Just put in the numbers that you will see in the box beside the blank space. So now, once you have logged into your account, just go to the upper part and you will see different logos of social media up there. What I want you to do is find the YouTube logo up there and you will see some options. But since what we want is to earn money by watching videos, then we will click the YouTube button that says play. Now a video will pop up below, so you will just have to click play. But remember, it says here that you should watch the video for at least 35 seconds to earn points. So that is what we're going to do. When you click play, you will be redirected to our YouTube video. You will just have to watch it for 35 seconds and you will get some points after that. Also, in the daily bonus section, you can earn up to 100 points just by logging in every day and watching 15 videos. And you can even earn 25 points hourly. It is as simple and easy as that. Now, you cannot expect that much in it because the payment is not that much. But luckily, here at Money Kings, we want you to maximize your earnings just by doing some simple tricks. So you can always multiply your earnings 2 times or even 3 times. So before we go to the trick that I will show you, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who have a lot of free time and is looking for a new way to earn money by doing what they always do, watching videos. So not only you, but together with your family and friends, you can make some extra cash using this method. Now, as I told you earlier, you will have to wait 35 seconds to watch the video and get points. But you don't have to waste your time like that because you can watch different videos all at the same time. Just by pressing play, you can open multiple tabs and watch all of those together, and you can collect all the points from watching all the videos. Not only that, but you can also watch those videos through different devices all at once. But make sure you are logged in on the same account on your devices so that the points you earn from the video will go to your account. You can check the points you accumulated in the upper left part of the screen. Now, here is another trick that I want to share with you. While watching those videos, I want you to look for the setting button for the video and you can simply change the playback speed of the YouTube video into 2 times. So now, not only that you can watch multiple videos all at the same time, but also you can watch them half the time that you need. All you have to do is follow those tricks. You can earn some extra cash using followfast.com. Now, once you have accumulated a certain amount of points, you can start exchanging it for real money. So first, click on the cash out button. From there, you can see some options in which you can cash out your money. There are 2 main options here, which are Bitcoin and Perfect Money. But you can still get paid using other payment methods as shown below. Now, the minimum payout is $1.50. Also, remember that you won't get the payment immediately because they have a schedule for payouts. So you may have to wait a couple of days to receive your money. But don't worry because you will definitely receive your payment. Now, this website is only good for making some extra cash. So if you want to earn more and you want to learn some new online jobs that actually pay you as a full-time job, then check out our other videos and we will see you there. Also, click on that subscribe button so you will always get updated on the latest and the most convenient way to earn money even if you stay at home. Click the button, subscribe, and don't forget to share these ideas with others. Until we see you again, and thank you for watching.